All right. Testing 1, 2, 3. Welcome to stockmarketpunting.com. One of the things that we had talked about at around the 11 o'clock hour Pacific Standard Time would be the on day, the off day. The last couple of days, there was profit taking going into the close, but because of the big down movement in the markets and the indexes, there was short covering going into the very last moments of the closing bell. And basically, that's a 3-minute, 6-minute, 9-minute, 12-minute, 15 minutes of short covering going into the closing bell on BIDU. Now, remove the BIDU chart, and there was short covering in the indexes. And how you can make money riding that title, that short cover wave. Apple did the same thing. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, all the way up. And the equity closed at 253.82. Was the last print. $2 short cover. Now, the thing that we want people to know and learn is the difference in the volatility of the markets is that when we spent the whole session in deep distribution until that late day, and this is what I was talking about, is learning and identifying, snapping that 1,000 shares during that short cover really provides you a good move. And rather it's selling short in the just the opposite of yesterday, stocks dropping quickly, selling short into the close, going long, but knowing what to do and how it's going to work. And it's very simple here at SMF. They spent the whole day short. They didn't want to go in short Apple over the weekend. A lot of people covered and got out of the way, and you can trade them. Same thing here on BIDU. Man, you talk a nice breakout. This is another part. 3, 6, 9, 12 buy signal. And a 3, 6, 9, 12 top right here. Short cover. So people that were short the name didn't want to be in the way over the weekend. It's obvious. Last print, 73.98. And guess what? That short cover happened down here right around 73.25. And it was a nice move. And buying 1,000 shares into the closing bell, whether long or short, is that we were the distribution Friday is what I'll call it in equities. And it wasn't until the last 10 minutes when you got these breakouts. And you always got to be aware of that closing bell.